Finding the domain of a function is all about finding all the restrictions. The first restriction is denominator cannot be 0. Second, whenever you see square root sign, any number of expression inside the square root cannot be negative number, so must be greater or equal to 0. So in this example, there are two restrictions. The first one is there's a denominator, it cannot be 0. So let's write down. Second restriction is there is square root. So the expression inside square root cannot be negative number, must be greater or equal to 0. That's all the restrictions in this example. They are inequalities. So let's solve these two inequalities separately. The first one, that means 1 cannot be equal to root 4 minus x. So that means 4 minus x cannot be 1. So that means x cannot be 3. Second one, we move negative x to right side. So you got 4 greater or equal to x. So swap it. So we got x less than or equal to 4. The x value in the domain have to satisfy all the restrictions together. So we use number line to help us. So we find the 4. I use solid dot because 4 is included. So that means less than or equal to 4. And then find the 3 here. Use an open dot because 3 is not allowed. And then we shade the region where x is allowed. So put all the x value together, we use interval notation. So x belongs to negative infinity to 3, use round bracket because 3 is not included. Then union 3 to 4, use square bracket because 4 is included. That's the final answer.